It is unfortunate that drug-related crimes are on the rise again. Every day you can read about children being raped, people getting killed and robbed, and just recently a drug den was raided within the Malacañang complex.
We saw the biggest voluntary surrender of more than 1 million drug users and personalities, which is a feat that has never been seen in the country's history. 1.6 million po ang sumurrender. First 6 months po ito. Kulang na kulang nga po yung mga lugar, no, kung saan sila magsusurrender. Nagkulang po ang mga preso dahil sa dami po ng nagsurrender. Nagsurrender po sila dahil sa paniniwala nila na